In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a quick preview feature in WordPress. To add the quick preview feature, first you need to install and activate the Admin Quick Preview Post plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to your posts, and when you hover over a post, you can see the quick preview option here. When you click on it, you can see the preview of your post here. And also, when you're editing a post, you have the quick preview option here. This is how you can add a quick preview feature in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.